Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of today's video, like God is blessing me because we are doing another collab. Can you imagine? And this is just not any collab. I'll be collaborating with JUST4KIRA, guys. Please mind my nails, don't look at my nails. JUST4KIRA, they are a contact lenses brand, and I've never tried them. So shipping, when they told me they were gonna send me this, it's very quick. I can't wait to try them on. So once again, thank you so much for sending me this. So yeah, let's just get straight onto the video. Okay, so far, oh, the box, I just love the box. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So inside the box, you have a thank you card, and it's got the how-to instructions on the back. And it comes with the contact cases. So look, very nice. For each contacts, and I've got 4, so today we'll be trying on 4. But first, we're gonna be trying on the Neala Green. Okay, I am so excited, you guys, you don't even understand. But I've never tried like proper colored, so like green, blue. In the contact case, it comes with tweezers, and I'm guessing this is the thing that you apply the contacts with. I usually use my fingers, more challenging, but you know, I'm gonna try use this instead. So this is what the case of the contacts looks like in this, already in the liquid solution. It's advised that you soak the contacts. It says on the back here that you soak the contact lenses for 6 to 8 hours in multi-purpose lens solution before the first time use. It is advised, but I think I should be fine because I've worn contacts before. I'm going to use scissors to open the contacts. Okay, I'm gonna pour the solution into the thing so I don't waste any of it. I do have some, but you know, it's good to just save it. So we have the contacts right here. Neala Green, I hope I'm saying that right. I already know how to put on contacts, so I don't have to read the label, you know. So you want to put it on like this, so it's in this shape. Okay, I'm gonna just use this. Oh my gosh. Whoa, look. I kind of like it. It's very... Do I look like... I don't look like myself, but I really like it so far. Look at that comparison. And I've got dark eyes, so look. I'm gonna put the other one on so it looks less creepy. But so far, you guys, I really like this. Like, look at the green. I feel like she's biracial. Ruining these beautiful boxes with these nails of mine. No irritation so far. This one feels a bit funny, but I think it's because, okay, now I'm used to it. But guys, I do not look like myself. Whoa, I love these ones. But where would I wear them to? I feel like if you're going to a rave, a motive, you know, Afro Nation carnival, I'd wear these. If you want to be in a disguise, wear these, because like honestly, I do not look like me. I like how it has the black, it's got like a bluish ring around it. I really F with them. They're so nice and no discomfort at all. I'm not, you know, my eyes have adjusted to them, and all the contacts are not prescribed at all because my vision is normal. So yes, but y'all, I love these. I love these. But yeah, okay, time for the next one. That's how you take them off. And the other one. Whew. That was satisfying. I'm gonna try on Neala Brown. Okay, so my eyes, they're not black, but they're not brown. They're like a dark brown. Like if you want to see my eye color, you have to, like, you know. Okay, ooh. Comparison. Okay, these are Neala, so I think it's like similar to the green because it, you know, Neala. because it's got the ring around it, but I really like having the ring around it, in my opinion. I'm not sure what it would look like without it, but it looks good. I love these. These are, they're not like the green, but they've got that kind of similar vibe, but I love these. Oh my gosh, I give these a solid 9 because I just love the ring. It gives like a mysterious kind of vibe. It gives bad girl vibes. I feel like a cheater, you know, like a predator. But yeah, I love these. Like, I can't wait to wear these out. You have no idea. But I wouldn't change anything about these, you know. These are perfect. Like, these are brown. But yeah, I feel like, you know, like a vampire, you know, from, what's that movie? Twilight, yeah. But yeah, excuse my eyelashes, but on to the next. Okay, next one, I'm gonna try Crystal Grey. The reason why my eyes are watering, it's because of the solution. Like, I don't mind putting it in my eye, you know, but I don't react to it. This is so helpful, you guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I was doing it the ratchet way before with the nails, you know. This is so helpful, thank you. But okay, so this is Crystal Grey. I F with it, you know. This doesn't give me creepy vibes. It gives me more, I don't know what I'd wear these to, but I like them. Where would you wear these to? Comment down below. It's just a contact solution, but wow. These are so pretty. One has a ring around it. I love the ring. Come on. You guys did not come to play. I'll mention the code towards the end, but oh, I love these ones. These ones are just so pretty. These ones are like, I'm a bad bee, don't mess with me. Like, he's just for Kira. I'm in love. You did your thing. You did your thing. Like, look. Okay, yeah. So I rate these a solid 10. Just for Kira did not come to play. They did not lie about, oh, they did not lie. Oh, okay. So yeah, these are a solid 10. Okay, on to the next one. Now we're trying on Norko Blue. Okay, always wanted to try blue contact lenses because I think blue, the eye color, it's just such a beautiful color. Oh, the Instagram pics with these eyes, I cannot wait. But I hope these look, oh, I'm so scared. I just hope these look good on me. Here, everything's high quality, like the packaging, beautiful. You know, it's not messy. It's got the bubble wrap to protect everything. If I don't suit blue, I'm going to cry. Put it on. Just gotta get used to the mysterious. It matches my shirt. My shirt. Like, black people, they do have colored eyes, but it's very rare to see, you know. So I just really F with them and they all suited me. So this is definitely black girl approved, dark eye approved. You guys, please, if you have contact lenses from any other brand, please ditch them and go to JUST4KIRA because they are the best. I kind of like the one, you know. I'm a water element. Water. Okay, I just straightened my hair. Let me stop. Y'all, do I look, I don't want to, I feel like if people saw me, they knew not to mess with me. You know why? Because I'm a water element with my blue eyes and my blue shirt. Look into my eyes. But nah, I love these. These are my favorite. These are my favorite. I rate these a solid 11. Just for, guys, please cop at JUST4KIRA. They did not come to play. I am not even joking because All the contacts, I was in love with them straight away, because some of the contacts that I wear, other brands, they lie. Some of them irritate my eyes, some of them, you know. You guys, make sure you use my code right here for 20% off. Please, you will not regret it. This is the first time I put on these contacts and I'm in love. I think I want to wear them every day. Goodbye black eyes. I'm wearing this every day. This is black girl approved, dark eye approved. Anyone can wear them. Normal eyes, and they have prescribed eyes if you wear glasses. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Oh my gosh, once again, thank you JUST4KIRA for sending me those contact lenses. I am in love with them. So yeah, thank you so much for sending me. And yes, for those who are new, make sure to subscribe, make sure to check out JUST4KIRA's page. I'll literally link everything down below. Just follow me on all my socials. Yeah guys, I can't get over it. Like, I'm literally just looking in my eyes because I don't think I'm Tweet anymore. I'm the water element. So yeah, make sure you cop JUST4KIRA, you guys. I'm not even playing. So yeah, like, subscribe, please, do all them things. Use the code if you want 20% off. Use the code. I gotta go. Bye.